Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Reddit. So watch this video till the end to understand the tutorial. So according to Reddit, if you sign up for your Reddit account using your Google or Apple ID, you will have 30 days to change your username. To check if you can change your username or not, open the Reddit application, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then tap on my profile. You will be asked whether you want to keep your current username or change it. If you don't see the option to change your username like me, then you may have chosen to keep your current username by accident or you may have not updated your account in more than 30 days. Also, you should know that if you delete your account, your username will no longer be available. You can also create a new account with a different username and keep both of your accounts. And you can even verify both accounts with the same email address, but don't use any of your accounts to vote on the same post. It is against the rules of Reddit. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.